This is how you clean the Toyota Audio Multimedia Touchscreen or the infotainment display that's center console in the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Take 2 microfiber towels. With the first microfiber towel, it should be dry. You can initially wipe off some of the dust, debris, and grime off of the infotainment screen. Then you're going to take the second towel, which should be damp with regular water, no cleaning solution, and you're going to wipe the screen. You can gently wipe the screen. Do not use cleaning solution, just regular water. Make sure the towel is damp but not too wet. Afterwards, take the dry towel, use the other side, and start cleaning, wiping off all of the water droplets. And it's as easy as that. I'll leave the link in the description below for microfiber towels. Have a great day.